Timmy Turner. You were wishing for a burner. The key to everybody running. You know how the song to find if I was the beat. I be watching me on the beat, running the wine. Key to everybody wanting. Know how the song to find it. Timmy Turner. You were wishing for a burner. The key to everybody running. You know how the song to find if I was the beat. I be watching me on the beat, running the wine. Key to everybody wanting. You know how the song to find it. Timmy Turner, you were wishing for a burner. The key to everybody running. You know how the song to find it. But the beat, I be watching me on the beat, running the line. Key to everybody wanting. You know how the song to find it. Timmy Turner.
Where's Tactical?
They couldn't make it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. You're not going anywhere.
So, family affair. I knew it was you.
Yeah, that's gonna be a problem.
I am a federal agent. You will bring the weight of the United States government down on your heads.
That's bull. I suspected when you didn't call in reinforcements after your green light lab was destroyed that this was a rogue operation, which means we're not up against the ASA. We're just up against you.
Thank political correctness. It's ruining the country.
The first Freeland experiment killed a lot of kids. And you thought it was a good idea to do a sequel?
Hey, would have wound up on welfare in prison anyway.
Wow.
Oh, man. That was beautiful, little girl.
Is that right? You want some more?
Jennifer?
Wait. Listen to me for 1 second. Most of them are dying. I can fix them. You want to save your people? Let's make a deal. All I need is a sample of stable metahuman genetics. Yours. You want to save Freeland? I want to make America great again. The ASA will back me up, especially when I give them the 411 on the Pierces. I'll get a blank check and a get-out-of-jail-free card. So either we deal or I come back and kill each and every one of you.
You're a monster.
That's funny coming from you, Peter.
You're right. I am a monster. And he is not gonna hurt any more kids. You won't take care of the pods. I'll take care of the trash.
None of them are stable.
Okay, how do we get them out the pods?
If you open the pods, they will die. They're too unstable from all the...
How do we get them out?
A briefcase. I need the briefcase.
Never mind. I know someone that can help them.
People always calling black folk paranoid. We always paranoid till the truth comes out. They had them children for 30 years, and that wasn't enough. They came back to get more. Damn. Bye, Felicia.
This all ended with black lightning and thunder, not the police. That should tell you something right there, right?
The government put crack in the ghettos. They gave heroin to white folks in the rural areas. Then they came back and put green light in Freeland. And I know because my son got caught up in taking that green light. They gonna put something else somewhere else. This is their MO. Ain't nothing new.
The people of Freeland have a right to a full explanation of what happened in this city. Hard questions are being asked of the U.S. government, and in the meantime, although we do not condone acts of vigilantism, the people of Freeland and this department owe a great debt of thanks to so-called black lightning and thunder.